test out the view. Just get some stuff from online for the GoPro. Test out the view of the car. Carrier just make you smile, trust me. When I lie. When I hear all the turbo noise there. Kids them out. Kids them out and can't even press. Safety. Sounds sweet. Sound that boy. BMW know what them do with the M340 them, trust me. YouTube will go on. Back with the next video. I get the machine wash up and thing, you know. Got the car wash, get the machine clean up. 1st of April, 2 degrees outside. So make use of the sunshine. Downpipe, H&R springs. These little miggle thing here. These I got the lighting for these one, but this light, one of the light them they keep on a switch color. So the whole car that'll be one color, and then this one that'll be a whole different color. I never like that. Take it back out. Yeah, nice little day. Nice little day today for just wash off the machine. Make sure the baby clean and look good on the driveway, you know? Yes, man. And I should say, you know, respect to almost 50 subscribers. I started out at 0, like 0 subscribers, and now I'm actually at like 48, 49. I really thank you. Thanks to everybody who subscribe to the channel and actually enjoy the content, you know. Not gonna lie, I actually like shift with my shifter still. Yeah, kinda doesn't feel like all them days shifter, stick shift. Cause really and truly back in Jamaica when my brother teach me to drive, it was really a B14 stick shift Nissan 6-speed, 5-speed. One reverse. So always I go like You know, some movement are go on, you know? Like that. So crazy how even in my brother car back home, like a couple years ago, we used to take out the dash, take out the speedometer and paint it to blue. Blue accents all around the car. The caliper them blue. Now I get my own machine. I can just code it out. Alpina. Bad. Buy up them thing up on Temu. Nah, like Temu no feel me still. Get all of them GoPro thing up on Temu. The stuff I have for my head. The headband. Temu. And trust me, I haven't been spending too much. And I'm getting some good products. Alright, we are go to the gas station car wash. Something quick and easy. Is it? What that? 540. What is that? Right there. M340I. Alright. Can I do a luxury wash, please? Thank you. Debit.
1920. You are a YouTuber?
Yeah. Alright. Why you ask me if me a content creator, if me a YouTuber, can you see me with the camera up on top of my head? Enough your fuck. Benz don't look bad. Look nice, C40 450. Alright. Yeah, who want to hear the seatbelt nice all the time? Alright. Machine I got clean up here now. Alright, I clean up the machine now.
Couple premises. Still I get the blessing even though I'm full of sin. Shake up a place and me never pull up. Pull and check his stats. Make it cash, spend it and get it back. Send my dog up at New York when he mad.
Bashing off the ask for the Zelly card. It's Ray. Normally got the other car wash, I would have like spray it off on my own and thing, but tired right now, yeah man. Can't bother. I want the machine clean up because the weather not bad. We've been to get freezing rain and be a bad weather. Mix the weather right now have mixed feelings. It's like summer come so it vex because it probably don't want cold all year round. Crazy. Canada. Proud of ourselves. Oh. Alright. Get them party, you know? Here, so I'm gonna put on the H and R them. Machine is sit nice, need some space and now kinda kick out the wheel a little bit. Now I gotta do a front windshield tint. Make it look sick. Real Venom. See the machine there? Clean up the wheel a little bit a while ago. There we go. You know? Yeah, the wheel and machine looks sweet. Yeah. Windshield tilt, you know, front windshield tint. I'm supposed to sit nice. Yes. Little bit of burble stock. All I did was downpipe. So soon as the tune come in, no Fast Life Prince on YouTube. Shot them a bus healthy. Yes, man. See that? 400. Machine sound good. Machine for clean, man. Yes, man. Machine no dirt, no for the on your machine, brother. To you. Yeah, what wanna say? You clean? Clean. Give thanks to the 50 subscribers, I say, are almost 50. Really appreciate of it. Yeah, man, cause I start out at 0. So that definitely show me say I'm doing something, you know. Really motivate me for do more. It's just say it was winter. See, not even tree them not get back the leaf yet. Winter time. Just not motivated at all for doing it now winter time. Trust me. Need to get this fixed up. I don't know who key my car, bro. Couple months ago, key from the front right to the back. But other than that, I haven't done nothing to the car. Issues? No issues really. I got a puncture and I got that fixed. And yeah, the infamous front lip that I got from Timo. It's actually looking nice. And the DRL them, I did these by myself. We have one up here. And then all I did was just open these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 8 bolt. Turn the wheel out. Did I take the wheel off? Yeah, me take off the wheel. Take off the wheel. Take off about 8 bolt out here so. And pry it forward, and then me still need to get the side skirt, back diffuser, and some muffler tip. I actually have some muffler tip, but them can't fit, so I go get some new one and return those. But yeah, other than that, the machine clean, sweet. Cool air intake soon as well too. Down pipe. Good?
Oh, yes.
Good.
Nice car, sir.
Huh?
I just saw from my house.
Yeah. I live right there.
Where?
Right on that street.
Nice car, sir.
Thank you, sir. I'm just trying to build some content, you know?
Yeah, you think to put info?
Huh?
Info? Oh, what? Info on M5.
It's a 340.
340?
It's a M340.
M3?
No, M340.
M340.
So it's like the, what do they call it? The M Light.
Nice.
It's not the M3 as yet.
BMW is the best.
Yeah, they came out. They came out with the.
We have a Three series. Like,
Yeah, they came out with this is a 3 series. They came out with the B58 and everybody been loving it so far, man. This is our Instagram, true. Yeah, red interior.
This one.
Yeah, nice.
But you're
Yeah, bro.
you're good. You're the good. Your car, I like your car. Sir.
Isn't it cold outside, man?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. That's just right there, yeah. Yeah, bro. And all I did was just the downpipe. Yeah, everybody, so just drop a like, drop a comment, and you don't know, subscribe to your channel, build the channel. Enough thanks and respect to the 50 one we have already. I'm out.